Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to find comments on posts on Facebook. Whether you're revisiting a conversation or tracking your interactions, this simple process will help you locate all your comments quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the menu icon, located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access a variety of options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on Settings to proceed. Now, within the Settings menu, locate and tap on Activity Log under the section labeled Your Activity. This is where Facebook keeps a record of all your actions on the platform. Once you're in the Activity Log, tap on your Facebook activity, which will display additional options. From here, select Comments and Reactions to narrow down your activity log specifically to these interactions. Finally, tap on Comments. This will display a comprehensive list of all the comments you've made on Facebook posts. You can scroll through them to find what you're looking for or revisit specific conversations. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your comments on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more helpful tips to enhance your social media experience.